Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video, and this is going to be Nykaa sale haul. So during this Pink Summer sale from Nykaa, I have ordered few pieces which are very useful for your day-to-day makeup and for your everyday like the basic makeup look. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just start with the video. Okay, so as you can see, I have ordered these products from Nykaa. It's still in the box. I actually was supposed to make this video a few days back, but I was waiting for this particular product. This is a blush actually, so I wanted to do a single haul of all the products. So yeah, let's just quickly open all the products and let's review them one by one. Okay, so this is the first product that I got from Nykaa Pink Summer Sale, and this is Swiss Beauty ka cream blush. I was actually looking to get a cream blush because I have tint, I have powder blush, but I don't have any cream blush. So this time I really wanted to invest in a good cream blush, but not very expensive. So I got this one from Nykaa. This has a very cute, very nude sort of packaging, and I think it's in shade um I don't know, I'm not able to find the shade, but anyways I'll attach the shade name in the description, or yahan pe I'll attach the shade name and the exact price and the price on which I got this particular blush. So yeah, let's just review this. See, it has a very nice, very moussey texture. My god, it looks so nice. Let's apply on the cheeks as well. इसी वजह से आज मैंने एक्चुअली ब्लश नहीं लगाया था because I really wanted to apply this particular blush in this video. So let's just apply. I think it has a very nice, very lightweight, very moussey, very creamy texture. So it's good for summers. Even if अगर आप full face makeup नहीं करते, if you just apply your concealer, corrector and face powder, उस पे भी ये बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. It has a very nice pigment. I'm not sure ये कितने hours तक stay करेगा, but it looks very natural, very nice. So this is approved product from my end. You can definitely invest in this. I think ये 200 या ऐसा कुछ something amount का था. So if you're a beginner, you can definitely invest in this particular blush. इसमें there are also multiple shades available. आप check कर लेना जो भी आपको सही लगे. This is I think in very nude pink shade. So yeah, it looks like this. Okay, now let's open the bigger box. It's the first time actually that मैं आप लोगों के साथ parcel open कर रही हूँ and I'm giving reviews in front of you guys, because usually क्या होता है, मैं products open करके check कर लेती हूँ, try कर लेती हूँ, then उसके बाद review देती हूँ. So it's actually my first time. I'm quite happy about this and I kind of enjoying this with you all. I got very cute products. Let's open this. Okay, next up I got a Swiss Beauty ka concealer. This is my go-to concealer. Like I only apply this concealer even if I go to office, I go for shopping, I shoot. This is in the shade medium moin, shade number 5, and it's from Swiss Beauty. It's a very affordable concealer if you're a beginner, or if you even want to get a very lightweight concealer which absorbs quickly into your skin and gives a very natural look. And if you don't like heavy makeup, so you can definitely invest in this. This is very affordable. I think I got it for 160 or 170 rupees during sale, and even if there will be no sale, you can get it for I think 189 rupees, which is again very affordable. I mean, look at it, you can create a makeup, a whole makeup wardrobe under rupees 1000 using Swiss Beauty products. So yeah, I think, although this video is not sponsored by Swiss Beauty, but yeah, I really love the brand, like Swiss Beauty brand, because their products are affordable, that are of very good quality, very long lasting. So yeah, I would highly recommend. अगर आप beginner हो, even if अगर आप ऐसे lightweight products search कर रहे हो, so you can invest in this particular shade. Let me just quickly open it and show it to you guys. ये कैसा लगता है? I've already applied this concealer इस video में, so I'm not gonna apply in the face right now. This is how it looks. I mean, it's इसका packaging is very nice. ऐसे bottle में so this is the shade that I'm using. This is the shade that I'm using. It's a bit light from my skin tone, but yeah, it really blends very nicely on my skin, because iske niche I do apply corrector which helps to hide your dark circles. So अगर आपकी dark circles ज़्यादा हैं तो I would recommend आप इसके नीचे orange color का corrector apply कर सकते हो, और even Swiss Beauty में भी concealer आता है orange color का, वो apply कर सकते हो। उसके ऊपर अगर आप ये apply करोगे बहुत ही नेचुरल, बहुत ही अच्छा लुक देगा आपके स्किन को। सी, दिस इज अ वेरी लाइट weight, it's very smooth, it's very smooth, it's very blendable. You can easily blend it with your fingers. It's very blendable. I mean, इसको मैंने जिस फिंगर से ब्लेंड किया है, यू कैन सी ये स्किन में कितने अच्छे से अब्जॉर्ब हो गया है, कितने अच्छे से मैच हो गया है। इफ़ यू आर इन मीडियम स्किन टोन, आप इसको कंसिडर कर सकते हो शेड नंबर 5 एंड स्विस ब्यूटी कंसीलर। Okay, next up we have this particular lipstick from Lakme. It's a Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color and it's in shade Nude Twist. Shade number is 19 and I got it for something around 250 rupees. Its actual MRP was 350 or 399. Again, I'll mention the price here, and you'll find the link of every product in the description so you can check it out. अगर नायका पे सेल नहीं चल रहे हो, आप अमेजोन वगैरह से भी देख सकते हो, उसमें भी काफ़ी अच्छे डिस्काउंट मिल जाते हैं। And let me just quickly show it to you guys how it looks. This is my favorite shade actually. Let me just quickly apply. See, let me just build it thoda sa. This is how the shade looks. It's a very rustic sort of color. I mean it's a brown nude but with a hint of rust or red color, you can say. It looks very good on every skin tone, especially medium skin tone. Let me quickly apply it on my lips as well. This is my one of the favorite lipstick. I have been using this lipstick I think from last 3 or 4 years. I have used this particular lipstick on back to back. So this is how it looks. I mean, this is very natural, very subtle color. If you are office going girl, if you're college going girl, this is going to be the best lipstick. It's very lightweight, which means आपको कुछ feel नहीं होगा आपने lips से कुछ लगाया भी है. Yes, it transfers when you eat something, but I think it's very nice. अगर like ऐसे गर्मियों वगैरह के लिए ये बहुत अच्छा है. I like wearing lipsticks जो बहुत lightweight हो. Doesn't matter ये transfer होगा या नहीं होगा, but I think the color it has, it's very nice. Its pigmentation is also very good, so you can try this one if you would like this. Okay, next up I got this body wash, and this was for 259 as it's mentioned, but I got it for I think 100 or 110 rupees, so it's a very nice deal. It's of 250 gram, and yeah, nothing very fancy about this. Next up I got this Swiss Beauty का makeup fixer. I've actually used this fixer इसके पहले भी, and this is I think my second bottle that I'm using this. I quite like this particular fixer and it's very affordable. Again, अगर आप beginner हो, or even if you don't want to invest too much in makeup, but still if you want to get a very nice product which actually helps your skin, so you can get this one. I'm using this from I think past 2 years, so yeah, I can recommend this to you guys. This is how you'll get the fixer. It's in bottle, plastic bottle hai, and it has a very fine particles. You'll get a this size of bottle. I think it's in size 70 ml. Yeah, the size of this particular fixer is 70 ml, and according to the price I think it's quite good, quite practical. And since ये बहुत ही परफेक्ट साइज में आप इसको इजीली अपने बैग्स में कैरी कर सकते हो, आप इसको ट्रैवल कर सकते हो, सो you can check it out. Okay, next up I got this Insight का pore minimizer primer. I really wanted to get my hands on a primer. I do not apply heavy makeup, so उसके वजह से मुझे primer की need नहीं होती. But even if you know, if I go to party or anything, I want in that case a good primer, so I got this primer for that purpose itself. I do not apply primer on a regular basis, but I would suggest अगर आपके ऐसे pores वगैरह हो तो आप इसको apply करो, so that you will get a very flawless makeup. Since I do not apply very heavy makeup, so I don't use a primer. But जो लोग heavy makeup apply करते हैं और even if parties वगैरह में जाते हैं, so उनके लिए primer is something very must have in your vanity. It's a very small size, it's of 10 ml, एंड इसका प्राइस भी आई थिंक 100 या ऐसे कुछ रुपीस का था. सो आप चेकआउट कर सकते हो. ओके, जस्ट सी द फिनिश, हाउ मैटिफाइंग दिस इज, हाउ यू नो सटल दिस लुक्स. इसमें एक और कलर आता है, न्यू ड्रीम. दैट इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट लिपस्टिक. दैट वन इज इन पिंक अंडरटोन, दिस वन इज इन ब्राउन अंडरटोन. Okay, let me just apply the primer. This is how it looks. बहुत ही easily blend हो गया ये स्किन में. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, yeah, see कितना अच्छा, लाइक यहाँ पे मैटिफाइंग फिनिश दे रहा है. यू कैन सी यहाँ पे थोड़ा शाइनी शाइनी है, बट यहाँ पे इट्स वेरी यू नो मैटिफाइंग फिनिश, like it gives a very nice mattifying finish. So you can consider this. Okay, this is the last product of this haul, and I was quite excited for this product because this is a brow gel, and I have never used a brow gel. Though I wanted to lift my brows, मेरे पास ऐसा as such बहुत heavy brows नहीं है मेरे, but I really wanted to apply a brow gel, so I got a brow gel. As you can see, since this was my first time, I don't want to invest too much, so that's why I got this one. And this is from Colors Queen Clear Lash and Brow Mascara. Okay, you can apply it as a mascara as well, lash, like on lashes as well. So let's see how it's gonna look. And it is for 249. I think I got it for something around 200 rupees. I'll again mention price here, you can check it out. I've already applied mascara by the way, so I'm gonna quickly see. Let me just apply and see how if it's gonna work. Well, I can't see the major difference, but I think if you have very heavy brows, so in that case, आपको difference पता चलेगा. But since I have a very smaller, teeny tiny brows, so I can't see the major difference. But I don't know, it's थोड़ा सा ऐसा sticky because इसका जो काम है वो actually brows को lift करना है, mascara को lift करना है, so it's quite sticky. But I don't know, आप इसको try कर सकते हो अगर आपके वैसे थोड़े heavy brows है ना, so आप check कर लेना इसको, अगर आप सही लगे तो. In my case, I would not recommend this because मेरे तो brows काफी छोटे हैं, and for mascara, I think Maybelline mascara is just enough for just lifting your mascara. Alright guys, that's about it for today's video, and this is all that I got from this particular Nykaa pink sale. And let me know if you would like me to review any other products, like any other makeup products. And if you would ask me, I would highly suggest you can get this particular lipstick. And if you don't like brown or nudes, you can get Nude Dream in this particular range. You would also love that lipstick. And apart from this, yeah, you can get this concealer as well. This is a very nice concealer. I think by this time everyone has this concealer in their vanity. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, make sure you like, share and comment to this particular video. And yeah, see you in the next one.